I'm Angela Harney. I'm here to show you that if you can SQL, you can Snowflake. I have experience with SQL Server since its first edition, and I am a Snowflake certified data engineer. As you can see, I have an install of SQL Management Studio for my local computer on the left and Snowflake on the right. Snowflake is a URL that gives you a notepad-style editor in its classic console, just like you are used to working with in Management Studio. The Snowflake database, instead of being stored locally, is created on a VM located on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, and is on AWS by default. First, we will create a database. Set the context to the database we just created. Copy and paste that statement over into Snowflake. Execute that. It automatically sets the database. Over in Snowflake, we also are going to create a schema. This will help allow us to easily apply permissions. We will create a table called Core Metrics with a customer ID field and a customer name field. We will then insert 3 records, select from that table. It is varchar max by default. We will insert the same set of records, select the same data. Doing a filter in SQL is the same syntax over in Snowflake. Doing an order by is the same as well. We can do an update on one of the rows. Run that same syntax over in Snowflake. And we can perform a delete of the second row in the table. And run the same syntax over in Snowflake. Snowflake is SQL-easy. You can do it too.